Big Lots has started putting Halloween stuff out. Woohoo! A lot of clothes stuff right now. But they are starting to put some decor out as well. Lots and lots of home decor, very nice. And some fun things that can be used for haunts or whatnot. Okay, that's, I don't know if that belongs here. That's kind of cool though. It's so funny. These have a magazine. This one looks like he's smelling its pits. Oh my goodness, love it, love it. I remember this one from before. It's very pretty. Colored skeletons. It's such a neat little fun thing to have. Animated dolls. Yeah, that's like actual hair, so I don't think that cool thing belongs here. And that one, I don't know if it lights up or anything. It must be. With the hazard warning and whatnot. Got lots of merch with Hocus Pocus and some crows with, you can hold candles. Eyeball ones. Oh, look at that. This one comes with its own. I said that was cobwebs. It's the hot glue string. Still, it's fun.
Hey, you kids! Get off my porch! I don't have time for Halloween night!
Oh, you sound like Mr. Krabs. Money, 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 money.
Yes, come closer. Come right.
Ah, my favorite. I love this one. I got this one last year. Got a lot of these looking like pumpkin grabber thingies and rocking horse doll. I don't know why, but I think this would be even scary hanging from a tree. You can see what they're going to be setting up. Yeah, big skeleton. It's like a werewolf again. Scarecrow. Got a dog skeleton. It's posable, unlike mine. Poor thing broke. We'll have to fix it. Maybe it'll be sitting like a good boy now. Got a couple blow molds. Well, the rocking horse doll children thingies don't have batteries in them, but I'm guessing they rock, eyes, possibly light up or somehow glow, and just be creepy in general. I love it. Apparently those skeleton groundbreakers are the big thing this year. Looks like they've got a much smaller version from Big Lots. And again, you can see what they're gonna put. A lot of Dia de los Muertos pretty things, skeletons, graveyard goodies. They got a few of the things already set up, mostly lighting and whatnot, inflatables, lots and lots of lights. Big Lots is a good place to get interesting lights. But like I said, they're just starting to set this up. I'm excited to see what else they're gonna have. Do you do anything? It says animated.
Happy Halloween! So many things to do!
Good Lord.
No time to rest, this head is stressed, and now
I like that one.
too! My costume's almost ready, but there's work still to be done! I'm feeling windy once
Comes with some eggs. Does it poop them out?
So have a spooky Halloween with the spirit in your heart! And not
Yep.
plain candy eggs every time I need to!
Everything farts this year. I love it. Never can have too many fart jokes, right?
It was a graveyard smash.
Let's get smashed. Oh, goodness. Gotta be one with Thriller, right? I have a feeling that thing's gonna fly right off the shelf, so we'll stop it there. And these cute little, I think they're porch thingies. And a lot of hanging ghouls and ghosts and bathtub sets. Bathroom. Tombstones. That's pretty. I like that one. See no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. Cool. 50 bucks. If I can find the button for it. And it lights up. That's really cool. More bathroom stuff. There's that broom over there that runs around in circles. And some really nasty looking pumpkins. I love them. Look at these giant skeletons. Skulls. That's cool too. So you can see how big this one is. Very, very large. And, ooh, that's a nice light up right there. That's cool. And these light up as well. Pumpkin onesie and a ghost onesie. Cute. Looks like some more here of their Dia de los Muertos housing items. Eyeballs. That's cool. And I'm assuming Jack's face shows up on these because that would be weird if it didn't.
There are few who deny it. What I do, I am the best. For my talents are renowned.
Only one eye lights up. What happened?
When it comes to there are few who deny it.
I guess that's how it's supposed to go. Got some Oogie Boogie. This is all basically a Nightmare Before Christmas stuff right here. Got a little zero here. I'm guessing your nose lights up. Yay. Oogie Boogie singing pumpkin. That's really cool. Let's see if I can touch the button. Pretty short. There we go. Okay, that's pretty cool. And inflatable. Very nice. The Oogie Boogie inflatables always look good. And then this is some of their regular stuff that they're probably going to be moving out of the way. A little bit more fall. Oh, I love it. No tricks, just treats. Really good doggy. Very nice. I like these. I'm excited to see all the rest of the stuff they're going to be putting up. Those are very nice. All right. I'm excited. We'll post more when they put up more. See yas.